Meet Gertrude from Jiwa village in Malawi. Her cow gives 21 litres a day at peak production and gives birth to a calf every year. How does she do it? Why is she so successful? Gertrude is successful because she feeds her cow very well. Just like us, animals need a basic amount of energy for eating, digestion, moving round, and thinking. This energy requirement is called maintenance. The amount of energy required for maintenance is shown in the green box. This never changes, it remains the same every day. Milk production needs high levels of energy. Energy required for milk production increases with yield, as we see here in the blue boxes. At 10 litres per day, the cow needs to eat more than twice the amount of energy. At 20 litres, she needs to eat 3 times the amount of energy. Gertrude knows that feeding the correct amount of high-energy feed is a great investment. Feeding high-energy feed also improves fertility. The cow will come on heat and get pregnant. Forage is a low-energy food, and the quality varies during the year. In the rainy season, the forage is green, lush, and has a high nutritional value. In the dry season, it is brown, less palatable, and has a low nutritional value. Gertrude stores her maize stalks. She chops and feeds these to supplement the poor quality grass in the dry season. Gertrude knows that her cow needs vitamins and minerals. She adds these to the food every day. She always makes sure that the cow has clean, fresh water so that she eats as much food as possible. The water trough is never empty. If you follow these practical tips, then you can become as successful as Gertrude. If you enjoyed this video, then please click the like button. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, please do. And don't forget to subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the latest videos.